Alright, so I know you are busy, but let us solve this question. I know you are very busy, but let us try to solve this question. So remember, mathematics is a practical subject. So it needs you to solve at least 1 or 2 questions in each and every day before you write your exams. So I have a very simple question that is found in mathematics paper 1. We get 2 marks. So how do we get the 2 marks? In our case, so in the diagram, AOB is a sector of a circle O. Angle AOB is 60 degrees and the radius is 7 centimeters. Calculate area of the sector. Take pi to be 22/7. So what phase are you need to, or do you need to know in order for us to come up with the correct answer? The first thing is for you to know the formula. So the formula tells us to say our theta divided by 360 multiplied by the pi r squared. So this is squared. Now, apart from finding the area, on these kind of questions, you might also be told to calculate the arc length. So in order for us to determine the arc length, what we do is, or in order for us to recall the formula for the arc length, what we need to do is just to take these two, bring it this side. Now, what I simply mean is this area is equal to our theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. This one becomes the formula for the arc length. So it is very easy for one to recall. So in our case, since we are finding the area, let us proceed. Also, our area now will be equal to our theta, which is 60 divided by 360 multiplied by our 22/7 multiplied by the radius is 7, and this one should be squared. Now remember, this is paper 1. We need to find ways on how we can simplify this thing. So area will be equal to, so 60 into 360, we have 1/6 multiplied by our 22 divided by 7, but we can check there because 7 squared is 49. So we have 49. 7 into 7, 1. 7 into 49, it is 7. So what do I have now? Will be 1/6 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 7. So our area will be equal to 1 multiplied by 22 is 22. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So 4 remainder 1. 2 multiplied by 7 is again 14 plus 1, 15. So we have our 15 divided by 6. So this is mathematics paper 1. No need for us to have a calculator. We can just say this number, which is 6 into 1, it can't. So 6 into 15 now goes there how many times? 2. Remainder what? Remainder 3. So 6 into 34, it can go there with a remainder. So we just want to look for a number which is close that will not give us a remainder. So 6 into 30 goes there how many times? 5. Remainder 4. So I'll have my 4 divided by what? Divided by 6. Therefore, I can say area now will be equal to 25. Then if we reduce this one, 2 into 4, we have 2 divided by 3. Then because it is the area, I'll have by squared like that. So this is the answer that gives us, which is considered to be our conclusion in the question that we have just been given. So follow step-by-step concept in order for you to come up with the correct answer. My target is very simple. We need to make sure that we have got people that will set their goals and fulfill. So make sure that you follow in order for you not to struggle with mathematics anymore. This has been Mr. Professor. Thumbs up.